Hello friends, welcome to this session of data visualization with R and ggplot 2. In this session, we are learning a new concept, adding p-values on the plot. If, as part of your research, you are comparing two or more groups, you determine the p-value and show that p-value on the plot to make the plot more informative. And this session is for that, to show p-values of comparisons on plot. And these p-values can be added to any comparative geom you use to compare categories of independent variables. A very simple data set we are going to use here. This is a data set which contains height of male and female from an imaginary survey. Let's create the data set. First vector male is equal to R norm. To get normally distributed numbers, I want 20 numbers. N is equal to 20. Mean is equal to height in centimeters. I will keep here 167 centimeters height. And standard deviation is equal to 6.7. Go for female vector. Female is equal to R norm. Again 20. Mean is equal to 154 and standard deviation is equal to 5 something, and we will add this to data frame df data dot frame and name of those two vectors male and female. We will see the top 6 rows to know more about the data frame, and we'll run this code. Male got stored, female got stored, df and head of df, and this is the vector which we are going to use, and this is the data frame which we are going to use to plot the graph. If you look at the data set here, two measurements are there. In one category height is measured, in other category also height is measured. Therefore these two categories we will bring together in a column by using gather function from package tidyr. We will call tidyr. If you haven't installed tidyr, install it. Call the library, control run, and data frame is equal to gather. I want to collect two columns, and from the data frame df, and these two columns categories will be there in the vector 6 and values will be stored in the vector height, and the columns to be gathered are male and female. I will run that and we will see again head of data frame to see what happened, and gathering has taken place. First column is sex male and second column is height, and this type of table or data frame is called as long data frame or long table. Long table is very useful for plotting the plots. Here in this session, I will introduce you to package GGpubR. This package is very useful as it makes easy to plot ggplot to plots. It's an extension to ggplot. This package GGpubR, if you have not installed it using tools or from the script window. I will run this library ggpubR. Control enter, and we will use the function ggboxplot to get the box plot, and this syntax is very simple as compared to ggplot2. ggboxplot function require df as the first argument data frame, then x is equal to 6, but we will enclose that into inverted code. This is different as compared to the ggplot2 syntax. Y also will enclose into double quote, and this plot will give us ggboxplot. We'll run that and boxplot is there. We'll have fill is equal to, again in inverted code, that vector 6, and we'll run that to see the effect. Fill is there, and we will add geom by using add is equal to in bracket jitter to make this plot more informative, we'll run that. Jitter is there. Now we will add the p-value. For adding p-value, we'll require to add a stat plus stat underscore compare means, and we will run this, and this p-value is there. Wilcox test is used by default, p-value is there. We want that to slightly get shifted because it is getting overlapped with a point. Therefore, we will use label.x argument. Label.x is equal to 1.5. It will get shifted here somewhere, and we will run it, and p-value got shifted. Now I will show you how this can be used for another geom. This ggboxplot we will change to ggviolin, and we will run that, and this is ggviolin. Again, p-value is there. Now we'll see how to change the comparison statistics, and for that we will use the method argument. Method is equal to, I will change it to t.test, and we will run that, and t.test is there. Other methods for comparison are AOV, analysis of variance, we will run that, and this is ANOVA result, and this can be entire string ANOVA also. Kruskal.test, will run that, and kruskal vallis test has been performed and p-value has been shown. Now we will add a line to compare, and for that we will use argument comparisons. Comparisons is equal to, and this argument require input in the form of list, and inside the list of vectors are pairs to be compared, and here we want to compare male with female, and I will run this, and this comparison line is there. Now to make it look better, we'll change from violin to boxplot, run that, and this comparison line is there. Okay, that's all for this session. You may have appreciated this plot. Comparable ggplot2 require many lines of codes to get similar plot, but ggpubR functions make the task easy. Thank you for watching this video. Keep plotting the plots to hone the skills, and please hit the like button, share with your friends, press bell icon to get notifications of my new videos, and subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you.